Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, my husband went to pick up the mail and I received my Boxycharm. So I have my January Boxycharm, so I get to open up this guy and, well, let's find out what's inside. So if you're interested, keep watching. So opening up this guy, let's see. So we have our box here and we have Boxy and Chill. So I have here, I'm thinking it's variation number 9. See right here, variation number 9, I'm guessing. So then we have here the guys. So first up we have, which is actually the first guy on the card, we have from Briogeo, Don't Despair, Repair Strength plus Moisture, Leave-In Mask, 2 ounces. So we have that guy, and this retails for $16. So the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. So I see here it has B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and a biotin to help promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. So I think I'm happy with this guy. See, it has biotin, which again, like I've said, I'm interested in taking care of my hair recently. And I think this is the first Briogeo product I receive, or get to try out actually. Let's see. So we have that one. So then moving on to the next guy, I see here Star Lux. So we have Star Lux Longwear Eye Pencil, and this retails for $19. See here, Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. So I'm thinking this might be black. So I get another eyeliner. I was hoping to get the brow products since I go through those like crazy, which is exclusive to Boxycharm. It says intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. So I do like that I don't have to sharpen it. Not black. So this is kind of a pink. Kind of looks like a metallic pink. So I'm not sure. Let's. Oh. Not as pigmented as it claims to be. Trying to run this over multiple times to finally get some color payoff. Some kind of a metallic pink. Though as an eyeliner, Not too sure about this one. Yeah, not sure about this guy. So moving on. So moving on to the next item. So I saw in my email I was getting this one, this variation. So this is the Tarte limited edition Radiant Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3, and this retails for $36. So this is the one with the blue cover. Comes here with little inserts. Little insert. So we have this guy. It's a little bit larger than I expected. And I already have all my fingerprints on it. Oh, it's a pretty large mirror. Pretty large mirror. So then we have there the shadows. So this was not the one that I wanted. This is actually the one I wanted least. I was hoping for either of the other two. I did not want this one. But I see most people are actually getting this palette, I guess the most unpopular one. I really wanted the one with the pink cover. I think it's called the Sizzle palette, which not a lot of people are getting. A lot of them are getting this one. So I'm not going to swatch this one because I'm not going to keep this one. So then moving on to the next item, which everyone is receiving in their Boxycharm as well as the palette. So we have here two Tatcha masks. So we have Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask, a 2-pack. And this retails for $24. So this will be my first mask from Tatcha. So it says nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. So I think I'll be happy to be trying these guys out. And I see here it says free gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tatcha.com while supplies last. Code BOXY19, and it's valid from 1/8/2019 until 2/7/2019. See right there. So I am excited to try these guys out. It says for normal to dry skin. I am combination skin, so I guess I'll see how this one works with my skin. And then the last item, the lipstick. So we have here from Bite Beauty, the Amuse Bouche lipstick. It says this high impact lipstick in multi-dimensional shades was handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. And this retails for $26. And the shade that I got is Dragon Fruit. I did see a lot of these guys at TJ Maxx the last time that I went. Not sure if I saw this shade in there. So we have that guy. And a little bit dented. So this is like a pink shade. So this is not my kind of shade. I'm not really into these kind of pinks. Kind of leaning more into the hot pink range, so I'm not going to swatch this one either. So yeah, not too happy with this month's box. And I was actually hoping for the Ofra liquid lipstick. I got their from the Winter Heat Week collection, the Hot Toddies mini set, and I really like the formula. And I was really hoping to get Miami Fever. Looked like a really pretty burnt orange, but unfortunately I did not get it. And also from Bite Beauty, it says here 20% off any 50 plus purchase on bitebeauty.com, code Boxycharm20. And it's valid from 1/8/2019 until 3/7/2019. Right here. So this was my box. Not too happy with it. So I'm thinking this one. So as I was saying, my camera shut down. Not too happy with the January box. So this guy I won't be keeping, so I'll be gifting this one. And the palette, this is not the one that I wanted. Not too crazy about the shades. Very monotone. So I won't be keeping this one either. And the eyeliner. Not crazy about this one either. It said it was pigmented, but it took a lot of strokes to get to that level. So I don't know if maybe trying it out as a maybe shimmer shade on the lid. We'll see. Have to play with that one. So the only guys that I'm into are the Tatcha masks and the leave-in conditioner. So I pretty much paid $21 for just these items that I'm interested in. So yeah. So hopefully maybe next month I can get a better box. So again, like I was saying, not too happy with the box. So I guess I'll just show this guy that I bought today at work. This guy will have to be included in my January favorites video. But I will go more in depth with this one in my January favorites. That was my unboxing for my January Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. So, like I said, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.